It is Memorial Day weekend and now we're off to a park to do a little bit of barbecue. See you there. Maybe bringing a little too much for just 2 people. And we were a bit worried the past few days because the weekend was just so rainy, but thankfully it looks like it's just gonna be cloudy and no chance of rain. We are here and now we're just scouting the area for an empty table and some seats. Surprisingly not as crowded as I thought it would be, but nonetheless we're still looking for a table.
Chilliest
Memorial
Day I've ever had. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Run away.
Everything's flying. It's so nice out though. At least it's not too hot. Yum.
This is sad.
What happened?
I don't know. The fire's not working. It's so weak.
How long has it been?
It's been like 2 hours. I mean, you want to see it though? It looks nice. It's just not cooking fast enough right now.
Okay, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it.
I mean, it's finally working. But you know what it means though? We're slow cooking it.
Oh, is it?
It's gonna be much more tender. So I'm actually like half happy about it.
Yeah.
What is this puny little thing gonna do? This is what happened when we went camping.
You wanted this so badly,
I
right?
know, I know. It's just... I'm so envious seeing all these people with nice fires. Sheesh.
Hi guys, I just got home and I showered and I came back to an exciting package from Jason Wu Beauty. I'm just gonna see what he sent. But this comes in this really cute mesh bag. So I got the Jason Wu Extra Pout No. 1 Plump. Looks like this is a lip gloss. The Celestial Lust in shade Jane Doe. I actually wanted to try this. It's basically like a shimmery eyeshadow for your lids. Then I have the Ready Set Matte Powder. And then the Flora 9 eyeshadow palette. It actually kind of reminds me of the Clio eyeshadow palettes. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that before, but it's a 9 shadow palette. Pretty good for travel. And I see there's a lot of shimmery shades in here that I would definitely use. So I'm on my way to a cafe since I have a dermatologist appointment at 4 o'clock. I thought I might as well spend some time working at a cafe beforehand that's nearby. So yeah, I will see you there. So I'm actually walking a bit further out today. About a 45-minute walk from where I live. So I'm gonna get some nice exercise in. Like fart. So I just got my patch stickers on my back. to test for any allergies, and the dermatologist said it should be a little bit uncomfortable for the next 2 days just because I might react to something from the patch, which is how they test for any allergens that I might have. So yeah, my back has all these stickers and patches on them. I don't even know exactly how many patches are on there, but definitely feels a little bit stiff and uncomfortable. But I mean, I only have to do this for 2 days, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm back home. I just washed up a little bit. I'm not supposed to wash my body just because I have all these patches and stickers and markers on my back. And I thought I would take you guys through my nighttime skincare routine. So my skin is actually feeling a bit drier these days, which I don't really know why since it's been getting hotter in New York. But I'm going in first with this Typology Micellar water. It's supposed to be made with only 7 ingredients and supposed to be super gentle on your skin. Next, I'm going in with something that I got from Alpine Beauty. This is a wild nettle and niacinamide firming serum. I just really like how lightweight it is and how it immediately sinks into my skin and just gives my skin like a nice instant glow. And you might be wondering why I'm doing my nighttime skincare routine when it's literally so bright outside still. The reason why is because I like to take off my makeup as soon as I'm done with my work day, and that means I have no more meetings to go to and I'm basically done with work for the day. So I like to let my skin breathe as quickly as I can and then remove everything as fast as I can. Taking my Shiny Darden Intensive Eye Renewal Cream. I've been really liking this eye cream because it's like a nice thick rich consistency, and I always like to slather on my eye cream morning and night just because that area is super sensitive and thin and prone to aging, so I never miss this step. Like, my skincare routine really varies day by day depending on what my skin needs. So today I'm feeling quite dry, so I'm going to be mixing my Covey Last But Not Least moisturizer with some facial oil. Take about that much. My True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil, and I take like 2 to 3 drops. Mix it in and then just slather it all over my skin. And I also like to take this time to massage my face a bit, just so that I'm depuffing as I go, and it really makes sure that your blood is well circulated. I actually notice the biggest difference when I do massage my face with my skincare and when I don't. So when I have time, I like to massage day and night. Just go outwards like that. And then always push upwards for your forehead. I kind of make like bunny ear, clench your knuckles a bit and just move upwards. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but maybe I should do a proper video on this. Yeah, I like to do this. So you don't really need tools with the way I'm doing it. I mean, I have gua sha tools, but sometimes I'm just too lazy to take them out because then you have to sanitize them after each use, and I feel like my fingers work just fine. I like to do a little heart and just push. If you could really like lift your face up. After that, I take my fist and just keep on pushing up. And I know this looks funny, but trust me, if you do this every day, your skin is gonna look so youthful. I heard Changnara does this too, and she looks like she could still be in college. And that's it. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!